anatomy video, and the first thing I want to talk about is the process of getting a tattoo, and ask or want to know where it is that hurts the most to get a tattoo and where it's hurts the least to get a tattoo. And it is different for men and women. Painful areas of men are going to be the butt, the arm, and the back. And for women, the least painful is going to be the stomach, the butt, the thigh, and the shoulder. And the highest pain tolerance areas for men it's going to be the stomach, the spine, the chest. And for women, it's going to be the ankle, spine, and the rib cage. So those are the areas that are the most painful to get a tattoo and the least painful to get a tattoo. So next is what to expect. The next step is going to be picking a design, and whatever you pick and where you pick it. And the tattoo artist is going to clean the area with rubbing alcohol to make sure it's clean. And they're going to shave the area, even if it's like where you would think that you don't have hair, you have hair all over your body, and they'll shave that area. And one thing that tattoo artists ask you to do is to not take aspirin or any painkillers that are aspirin based. If you don't know what aspirin is, it's a blood thinner, and it's when you get cut or something, it's harder to stop bleeding. And I take aspirin, so it would not be a good idea to get a tattoo because it would be very hard to stop bleeding if I were to start bleeding. So don't take any painkillers like that. Okay, so getting ready to start the tattoo, the tattoo artist is going to put an ointment on your skin, and the ointment is just for sanitary reasons and for the needle to move smoother across your skin. It's also going to seal the transfer and just make it look better. The tattoo artist is going to place the design on your skin, and it's going to be like a pen drawing on wherever you have it. And then the artist is going to outline it in black, and some people say that this is the most painful part of the tattoo. And then after he gets done outlining the tattoo, he's going to fill it in with color. The health consequences of getting a tattoo is if you don't clean the area properly, you could have infection or the tattoo could turn out bad. Another one is the dyes could give you an irritation, especially red, green, yellow, and blue dyes are more prone to give you an allergic reaction than the other ones. Sometimes you can get whelps around the area from irritation of the ink in your skin. If you don't go to a proper tattoo parlor or they don't clean the needles correctly, you could get a blood infection, and that could lead to hepatitis B or C or any other diseases from unclean needles.
So the opinion of like a tattoo coming from like a professional side would be like the location of the tattoo and where it's placed, like if it's visible or not, kind of thing. Its size, if it's smaller, it'd be cheaper, first of all. And then like if it's like something simple, it'd be probably easier to cover up rather than like something that's larger and like probably like harder to cover up unless you like use makeup or jewelry or something. And then the color, like if it's black, it's kind of just something simple. So yeah. And then like for a social point of view, like kind of just making sure like it isn't like anything odd or offensive, because you don't want that to happen. You don't want anything like an odd or like a strange look from anybody. So it'd be cool to not do that. And like if it's something like that you're getting and it's like something significant, like that probably like start a cool conversation or whatever. And then for for the location of this tattoo parlor that's in Georgia, it's called Memorial Tattoo. It's located in Moreland Avenue and the business has been running for like 11 years so far. And like all the artists there, like they can do pretty much anything. They specialize in all types of tattoos, and there's 7 different artists in that store, and they're all professional, clean, and pretty much the best in Atlanta so far. And overall, like for the comments or like reviews for this parlor, they all had like a pretty good score or whatever. And they're pretty much highly recommended for anyone. And each like person has recommended like a different person that did a tattoo on them, I guess. And so they like thanked them for their amazing work, basically. So they're like a good location to go to.